more a man masturbates, the more manly he is.
आप जो सो विराट कोहली के जैसे बैट्समैन नहीं हैं. You have to gain that skill first. Then you can bat to that level. 45 minutes का वीडियो है, तो they expect कि 45 minutes the sexual time should be that much, both from the male side and the female side. The problem is not with you, it's with you. So whenever a patient comes to me for infertility, I ask both of them कि आपके भी टेस्ट हो गए हैं क्या?
A topic which people don't want to talk about is not being able to hold the urine.
Usually in females what happens is they're too shy to come up with the complaint.
Correct.
They usually say कि पेशाब में तकलीफ हो रही. So then I have to ask them. So just a simple ointment which they have to apply, it makes a world of a difference. People immediately take out their phone, Google पे search करते हैं कि PSA high है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इट शोज इज प्रोस्टेट कैंसर.
अगर किडनीज में स्टोन्स आते हैं तो कैसे पता लगता है? हाय हेलो, वेलकम टू एरीट हॉस्पिटल्स बियॉन्ड मेडिसिन. हमें सेक्सुअल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या यूरिनरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शन है तो बताने में हम झिझकते हैं, मगर आज हम इसके बारे में खुलेआम बात करेंगे डॉक्टर कीजर से. नमस्कारम, वेलकम टू एरीट हॉस्पिटल्स बियॉन्ड मेडिसिन.
थैंक यू मैम.
अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंस हेल्थ. वुमेन्स हेल्थ वी बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट, बट टुडे वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मेंस हेल्थ, क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड काफ़ी लोग ये बात करने में डरते हैं. सो लेट्स ब्रेक सम मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स हियर. सो पहले ये बात करना चाहती हूँ आपसे कि यूरोलॉजिकली प्रॉब्लम्स वुमेन को तो होते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल वैसे इन्फेक्शंस होते हैं, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर इन्फेक्शन एज अ वुमेन हमें होता है, हमें पता है, बट मेन को भी होता है.
बिल्कुल होता है. मोर कॉमन इन द एल्डरली एज ग्रुप एंड स्पेशली with the setting of diabetes. India is the diabetes capital of the world, and I say out of India, Hyderabad में diabetes बहुत ज़्यादा है, especially in our community. Like the diet and the lifestyle Hyderabadis follow, the traditional Hyderabadis follow, diabetes is there in almost every family. तो मेल्स में भी होता है. सो मेल्स में विथ एज प्रोस्टेट का साइज इनलार्ज होता, इनलार्ज होने के साथ में देयर इज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. तो देयर इज यूरिन फ्लो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इज देयर, एंड डायबिटीज़ के साथ और ज़्यादा नुकसान होता. तो जैसा ब्लड में शुगर लेवल बढ़ता, वैसा इट गोज अप इन द यूरिन ऑल्सो.
अच्छा.
एंड देयर इज मोर चांस ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस एंड पीपल सफ़र विद अ लॉट ऑफ यूरिन ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शंस इवन इन मेल्स.
आप ये बताइए, विमेन में यूरिनरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शन में हमें पता लगता है कि बर्निंग सेंसेशन हो रहा है या बहुत सारा यूरिन आ रहा है एंड देयर इज नो कंट्रोल. दीज आर द सिम्टम्स एज अ वुमेन हमें पता लगता है. तो मेन में कैसे पता लगेगा?
सी इनकॉन्टिनेंस जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं कि आपको सिम्टम या लेडीज़ को सिम्टम्स पता चलते हैं. लेडीज़ में ये एनाटमी इज़ डिफरेंट कि यूरेथ्रा इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट, अबाउट 4 सेंटीमीटर्स. मेल में यूरेथ्रल लेंथ इज़ मोर, बट द प्राइमरी प्रॉब्लम जो आ रहा है कि देयर इज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. फीमेल में व्हाट हैपेंस विद एज, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम द ईस्ट्रोजन, द म्यूकोसा यानी द लाइनिंग ऑफ द यूरेथ्रल ट्रैक्ट जो है वो थिन हो जाता है, डिटोरिएट होता है, म्यूकोसल ड्राइनेस होता है. तो दैट इज हार्मोनल. बट इन मेल्स क्या होता, द प्रोस्टेट एनलार्जेस इन साइज विद एज, सो दैट कॉजेज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन एंड दैट इज द प्राइमरी कॉज फॉर इन्फेक्शंस एंड ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन.
कैसे पता लगता है क्या है?
देयर आर डिफरेंट सिम्टम्स के ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव सिम्टम्स एंड वॉइडिंग सिम्टम्स. ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव सिम्टम्स में ऐसा मालूम होता है कि दे आर नॉट एबल टू पास यूरिन, जोर लगा के करना पड़ रहा है एंड फोर्स लगाना पड़ा है, दे हैव टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम या ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना है टॉयलेट में. एंड वॉइडिंग सिम्टम्स एज इन लाइक जाने तक यूरिन पास हो जा रहा है, रात में ज़्यादा टाइम रात में द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गोइंग अप, रात में ज़्यादा टाइम उठ रहे हैं यूरिन के लिए, एंड बाय द टाइम दे गेट अप एंड गो टू द टॉयलेट दे नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल, इनकॉन्टिनेंस हो रहा है मोर ड्यूरिंग विंटर मंथ्स.
अच्छा.
एंड इसके ऊपर जब डायबिटीज़ एड्स ऑन टू इट, द सिम्टम्स बिकम मोर एंड मोर. So these are the symptoms of prostate enlargement and other things like which diabetes can affect it.
एज क्या होता है?
Age usually after 55-60 years of age. Nowadays ऐसा दिख रहा है कि with a poor lifestyle, poor diets, it's coming जल्दी हो रहा है symptoms, prostatic symptoms and we classify it as lower urinary tract symptoms. तो ये ज़्यादा in younger age it's showing now.
ओह,
पहले 55-60 years के बाद होता
अभी
था.
अभी कौन सा एज?
Around that age it should have been more later around 70-75 but now we are seeing कि जल्दी एज में भी हो रहा है ये.
दिस इज़ वन क्वेश्चन आई थॉट आई शुड आस्क. जब तक इट इज़ अर्जेंसी और जब तक इट इज़ इमरजेंसी लोग आते नहीं हैं दिखाने के लिए, तो कब से खुद टेस्ट करवाना चाहिए फॉर मेल टू नो दैट दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम?
Very good question. See, every male above 40 years of age, protocol is to get a serum PSA. PSA is a prostate specific antigen. So, if it is high, if it is normal, then nothing to worry about. 10 years tak you don't need a screening test. But if it is high, or if you feel that you are having your recurrent infections more than 2 times a year, or if you have blood in the urine, or if you have voiding symptoms, जैसा बताया कि you're not able to control burning sensation, obstruction के जैसा आपको लग रहा है, तो in that scenario you come and get yourself evaluated. But serum PSA can be elevated in 3 things. One most common is a urinary tract infection. Second is a large prostate. Third is cancer prostate. So people should not get scared कि अगर PSA is high, so they have prostate cancer. You come to your urologist and get evaluated. Don't let the lab or the technician or the investigation center scare you that a high PSA is because of prostate cancer. One more thing is that people immediately take out their phone, Google पे search करते हैं कि PSA high है, तो first thing it shows is prostate cancer. Most of my patients come worried कि I have cancer, what do I do? But it doesn't turn out. Hardly 5% of people have prostate cancer in a high PSA.
ओह, दिस इज़ अ गुड थम्स अप फॉर अस, क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं कि गूगल सब सच बताता है, बट डॉक्टर इज़ द वन हु इज़ टेलिंग द ट्रूथ, सो बिलीव डॉक्टर्स.
So doctor, like whenever I have patients के patients irrespective of age group, पहले ऐसा था कि youngsters used to search Google and come, but now even elderly people have the phone, they know what Google is, they even know what Chat GPT is, and they search and they come. So you have to, they're already self-diagnosing themselves before they come to a doctor. So you have to assure them कि जो so let the doctor deal with it, not Dr. Google.
Okay. Now I have another question. Does lifestyle disease जैसे कि sleeplessness, overwork, or stress, diabetes, all these things are affecting the private part of a man or a woman?
Definitely. See, lifestyle, diet, and exercise and stress, like you said, are very important. Most of the patients, youngsters, which I see that have sexual problems, are from the younger age group, are from people who have more desk jobs, who have more targets, who have more target-driven jobs, and have to perform to a certain level professionally. That is affecting their personal life. So in my protocol, whenever I evaluate a patient के sexual problem हो रहा है patient को, तो I evaluate the hormonal aspect कि testosterone level drop हो रहा है age के साथ, and the cortisol level, which is an indicator of stress. So most of my patients have seen कि cortisol level is also high.
Oh,
So when I control that stress level, automatically their sexual level life becomes much better.
better. Ah, okay. So they're directly
Without-
related.
First, like if they want medication, we give them medication to help them out with that phase. But once they get the stress down, automatically their
सब ठीक हो
sexual life gets better.
What is it that affects the urinary system as a whole?
See, I would like broadly, agar if you just want me to put it in under one term, I would say sugars.
Sugars.
So sugars can, I have seen like over the past 8, 9, 10 years, how diabetes has gone up and how it has affected the urinary tract symptoms, especially in our part of the country or our part of the state. It destroys everything and there is no recovery after that. So it's like दीमक के जैसा खा जाता आपको अंदर से.
अंदर से ना?
So when you are diagnosed with it or you have family history, keep screening, keep a healthy lifestyle and maintain, like keep your diet intact and like your lifestyle intact.
शायद किडनी पे ज़्यादा वजन पड़ता होगा, शायद इसलिए it's earlyly it shows up.
See, like अपने पास क्या है कि our diet is mostly राइस
चावल
चावल खाते हैं।
चावल खाते हैं,
तो
रोटी
अगर
खाते हैं।
पेशेंट को मैं ये बोलूँ कि चावल मत खाओ और रोटी मत खाओ, तो इमीडिएटली देयर क्वेश्चन इज लाइक क्या खाना फिर, कि यू हैव नॉट लेफ्ट अस विथ एनीथिंग एल्स। सो मेडिटेरेनियन डाइट वी कॉल इट। सो फर्स्ट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि इवन कि आप यू नॉट टोटली शिफ्टिंग टू चावल और रोटी मत खाओ, बल्कि ऐसा मत नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको। व्हाट आई एम सजेस्टिंग इज पहले हैव सैलेड खाओ थोड़ा सा,
अच्छा,
then complete your protein intake, eggs, fish, whatever, or if you're a vegetarian, whatever protein
whatever.
intake you're having, have that. Then उसके बाद में अगर आपको भूख लग रही है तो have a roti or whatever, little bit of rice, whatever you have. And उसमें भी choose what kind of flour you use. I would suggest ragi is the best, and mix your grains and use it.
मिलेट्स,
Millets, quinoa use कर सकते हैं, and
लिटिल मिलेट,
flowers you get all the
sorghum,
different
so
kind of
many.
multi you get abhi
हाँ
in
जी, हाँ जी,
supermarkets you get
12 kinds of millets are
yeah
available.
yeah so keep it last में। पहले आप सैलेड खाओ, तरकारी खाओ, देन प्रोटीन इनटेक आपका कंप्लीट करो। उसके बाद में अगर भूख लग रही है तो जब यू हैव योर रोटी एंड योर वट एवर करी यू वांट टू हैव।
समझ में ये नहीं आता है उन्हें कि वेजिटेबल्स में भी स्टार्च है।
हाँ
है ना?
exactly, like it fills you up, and the lining of the gastrointestinal tract is covered by the fiber. So even if you have high sugar after that, uh, the sugar levels are much better controlled. तो अगर आपको शुगर भी है तो मच बेटर कंट्रोल में रहती है अगर आप पहले सैलेड खा रहे हैं।
खा रहे तो अच्छा। अभी किडनी स्टोन्स के बारे में बताइए कि जो लोग पानी ज़्यादा नहीं पीते हैं तो उन्हें किडनी स्टोन्स हो जाता है। इज़ दैट ट्रू और नो?
पार्टली ट्रू कि डिहाइड्रेशन इज़ वन ऑफ द प्राइमरी कॉजेज़, कि पानी कम पीने की वजह से किडनी स्टोन्स बन सकते हैं। बट व्हाट वी हैव फाउंड यूनिक टू द डेक्कन प्लेटो एरिया इज़ दैट अपने पास कैल्शियम कंटेनिंग कंटेंट स्टोन का ज़्यादा रहता है। यूजुअली कैल्शियम, मिक्स्ड काइंड ऑफ कैल्शियम स्टोन इज़ द मोस्ट प्राइमरी फॉर्म ऑफ स्टोन वी सी ऑन एनालिसिस। जब किसी को स्टोन पास होता है या जिसको स्टोन निकालते हैं तो कैल्शियम इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग्स। सो अनदर थिंग इज़ लाइक डिहाइड्रेशन व्हेन यू पीपल आर नॉट acclimatized to drinking lots of water. So what I usually suggest is हर आधे घंटे को एक गिलास पानी समर में, हर एक घंटे को एक गिलास पानी विंटर में।
अच्छा।
So this will keep you on track.
So at least 10 glasses of water a day.
At least.
At least.
At least.
लवली। अगर किडनीज में स्टोन्स आते हैं तो कैसे पता लगता है? पेन आता है या कैसे पता लगे मुझे कि मेरे किडनी में स्टोन है?
देखिए किडनी स्टोन का बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट काइंड ऑफ पेन है कि लॉइन टू ग्रोइन काइंड ऑफ पेन। तो पीछे से शुरू होता दर्द और सामने की तरफ आता। तो दिस इज अ क्लासिक इंडिकेटर दैट इट इज़ अ स्टोन। एंड व्हेन यू सी अ पेशेंट कमिंग इन, कमर पकड़ के ऐसा आ रहे हैं एंड पीछे से सामने की तरफ दर्द हो रहा है, तो यू नो इट इज़ अ क्लासिक यूरिनरी और यूरेट्रल और रीनल स्टोन। इसके साथ में पेशेंट कैन हैव बर्निंग सेंसेशन, फीवर, चिल्स, ऑल दीस
दैट इज ऑल्सो।
थिंग्स।
कब पता लगता है हमें, जैसे कि स्टोन कितना बड़ा होने के बाद, आई मीन फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल स्टोन ऑफ लाइक ए डायमंड टू अ बिगर साइज?
See, I've seen like a 2 mm stone also trouble, and basically obstruction है। जब आके obstruct करता तो the back pressure changes and the infection which is there around the stone can cause the symptoms. Sometimes big stones of 2-3 centimeters also don't cause symptoms. अक्सर पेशेंट्स पूछते हैं कि इतना बड़ा स्टोन था, कभी मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा।
मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा।
तो
करेक्ट।
बड़ा स्टोन कभी नहीं सताता, छोटा स्टोन सता सकता हूँ।
पता
So
है।
it is depends on the
Body
severe,
type.
severity of obstruction. आके अगर फंस गया तो then it is going to trouble you.
जब तक फंसता नहीं है दिखता
It
नहीं है।
doesn't trouble you.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
So if it is in the kidney and 2-3 centimeters का, it might not trouble you. You might not get to know till later in your life के on incidental scan or something के stone है आपको।
आप ये बताइए, किडनी स्टोन बच्चे में भी आ सकता है?
बिल्कुल आ सकता है। बच्चों में थोड़ा सा पैथोलॉजी इज डिफरेंट। प्राइमरी इज ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन। सो इफ दे हैव सम डिफेक्ट, क्या यूरिन के रास्ते में देयर इज सम ब्लॉकेज, और दे हैव सम जेनेटिकली और डिफेक्ट बाय बर्थ यूजुअली ये रहता पेल्विक यूरेट्रिक जंक्शन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन या बोलते हैं, या पोस्टीरियर यूरेथ्रल वॉल्व करके एक कंडीशन होता है, रिफ्लक्स एक कंडीशन होता है। तो इसमें बाय बर्थ द चिल्ड्रन हैव सम डिफेक्ट जिसकी वजह से स्टोन फॉर्म्स। सो इट्स नॉट प्राइमरी बिकॉज ऑफ सम डाइट और समथिंग,
अच्छा
इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रॉब्लम वाइल दे हैव सिंस दे हैव बीन बॉर्न विद इट।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो ये किडनी स्टोन ज़्यादातर हमें यहाँ दिखाई देता है, जैसे स्पेशली टुवर्ड्स हैदराबाद, बिकॉज ऑफ द डेक्कन प्लेटो एज यू
Plateau
सेड।
area. Yeah, there are
Is it water here?
two hot spots, Deccan Plateau and the Gujarat area, Surat area.
side में है।
So there are two hot spots in India where the stone burden is highest, and these are the biggest hot spots in the world as well. So the incidence of stones is highest in the world in these two places.
अच्छा, ये किडनी स्टोन्स मेन और वुमेन में दोनों में आ सकता है कि नहीं नहीं सिर्फ मेन में ज़्यादा आता है वुमेन में कम, ऐसा कुछ है?
Equally.
इक्वली?
Equally, I've seen
nothing
both,
related.
like males and females, mostly because of probably there is something in the water or something in our genetics which we don't know. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो है which needs
कैसे
more
चेकअप
research.
कराएं हम, कब से शुरू करें, क्या करें? डू यू थिंक
See,
ईयरली चेकअप विल हेल्प?
Not really कि if you have history of stones, तो usually ये जो patients रहते हैं at some point of time previously they've had a episode of renal colic, यानी स्टोन छोटा सा पास हुआ था, या दे विल गिव यू हिस्ट्री के 20 साल पहले पास हुआ था, बट लॉस्ट टू फॉलो अप, दे डिड नॉट फॉलो अप ऑन इट। तो इफ़ यू फील दैट आपके स्टोन्स बड़े हैं और इफ़ यू आर हैविंग रिकरेंट एपिसोड यानी ईयरली हो रहा है या once in 2 years हो रहा, तो keep doing an ultrasound once in a year or once in 2 years as part of a master health checkup. But वैसा doesn't need screening if you know कि what is the content of your stone and what precautions you are taking. What usually happens कि patient को बोल दिए हैं कि stone निकाल दिए हैं कि आपका stone कैल्शियम का है और यूरिक एसिड का है, and don't take so and so diet, and they follow it 1 2 साल 3 साल तक follow करते, then they
छोड़
forget it
देते
कि
हैं,
हो गया।
बिल्कुल।
फिर बाद में after 5 years 10 years 20 years they come back with a recurrence.
ओके
So I have seen patients who have been treated by my father 20 years ago, then I treat them now. So they keep that saying that जब सुनना था नहीं सुने।
हाँ, टू लेट। सो रेगुलर चेकअप एंड जेनेटिक and
Hydration.
food, hydration.
Hydration.
These are
Yeah.
very important.
And diet, like keep your junk and like sugars low, because access also to junk, I say like is more common now.
Yes.
It's easier to order something
Online, yes.
online, and आपको पता नहीं है कि from where you are ordering, what is the quality, what is the standard of food items, preservatives and things that they are using. So better to keep it as much as possible घर का ही खाइए, whatever you want to eat घर का ही खाइए, better.
Are there risks saying that ये खाने से किडनी स्टोन ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा, या ये नहीं खाने से या नमक ज़्यादा खाने से किडनी स्टोन होगा?
नमक ज़्यादा खाने से डेफिनेटली किडनी स्टोन्स का चांस ज़्यादा है।
Really? Okay.
शुगर से ज़्यादा है, एंड नाउ यंगर जनरेशन फिजी ड्रिंक्स, कूल ड्रिंक्स वगैरह से ज़्यादा है।
वो तो पानी है, तो स्टोन कैसा होगा? That's the question they have.
See, the thing is the sugar content in that is very high.
That crystals.
Yeah, that increase, and the acid level of the urine also goes up. So the thing is that आप high you're basically drinking sugar water. तो when your sugar level goes up, तो what stone ऐसा बनता है कि बिल्कुल एक छोटा सा डॉट बनता, मिसेलर फॉर्मेशन करके, यानी बेसिक एक छोटा नमक जमता, उसके अतराफ में डिपोजिशन स्टार्ट्स। सो इट इज़ नॉट इमीडिएटली ऐसा आपको एक 6 mm या 7 mm का स्टोन नहीं बन जा रहा है, इट इज स्टार्टिंग एट 0.1 माइक्रोन लेवल,
माइक्रो लेवल,
बट इट इज बिकमिंग बिगर इन साइज बिकॉज ऑफ योर डाइट एंड योर हाइड्रेशन।
दिस किडनी स्टोन्स के लिए इज इट मैंडेटरी कि ऑपरेशन की ही करना है या मेडिसिन के साथ क्यूर हो सकता है?
See, usually 6 to 7 mm of stones, usually they pass out. But I have seen 2 mm stones also get stuck, and 18-20 mm stones also pass out.
Okay.
So there's no hard and fast rule. Again, everything depends on the degree of obstruction, the degree of symptoms. यानी pain, fever, vomitings, all these things can happen. And how much is it affecting your kidney? Back pressure पड़ के, is it deteriorating your kidney function? So then we go ahead immediately, even if the smallest of stones needs to be removed. Even the biggest of stones can be left alone if, say, the patient is very elderly, if the risk is too much, and if it is not causing any symptoms, not causing any problem to the patient, can be left alone.
Or it can be left also.
Yeah.
Oh,
There are many incidences where like patients have lot of comorbid conditions, यानी heart surgery हो चुकी है, diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, which are not controlled at all, and the patient does not have symptoms. Master will check up, a stone has come up. So I would prefer not to touch that patient. So if it's not troubling you, I will not trouble the patient.
And the health and the age also, age factor.
also, yeah.
A topic which people don't want to talk about is not being able to hold the urine. So there's a term for it. So I want you to tell me what is it and why people are not able to hold the urine.
Very good question. यानी especially in ladies, elderly ladies who are approaching menopause or after menopause, the mucosal suppleness around the urethra, खुश्की जो बोलते हैं around the urethra, वो कम हो जाती है, तो जिसकी वजह से लीकेज इश्यूज होते हैं. These are of two types. One is stress incontinence, one is urge incontinence. So, and it can also be mixed. Most common is urge incontinence. Urge incontinence का मतलब ये है कि टॉयलेट जाने तक urgency होके they pass.
Okay.
Stress incontinence is when the abdominal pressure goes up, like when they lift weights or lift a bucket full of water, या हंसे या खांसने पे they leak a little bit. It can be mixed also. So usually in females what happens is they are too shy to come up with the complaint.
Correct.
They usually say कि पेशाब में तकलीफ हो रही, तो देन आई हैव टू आस्क देम कि लीकेज किस किस्म का हो रहा है आपको, कि कुछ वजन उठाने पे हो रहा है या आप टॉयलेट जाने तक आपको लीक हो जा रहा है. ये होते होते यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शंस ज़्यादा होते हैं. तो पेशेंट्स हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये हार्मोनल इशू है. It is not related to anything which they have done wrong. And with a simple medication, they can become okay. And only thing is like, अगर if I'm putting them on hormonal therapy as well, so just a simple ointment which they have to apply around the urethra. They feel a little uncomfortable starting में, but once they start doing it, it makes a world of a difference. So I tell them कि make it something like a part of your daily routine, कि आप दांत ब्रश कर रहे हैं, सुबह ब्रश कर रहे हैं, तो with that after you brush just make it a routine कि whenever you want you just apply once a day. That makes the patient's life very यानी the feeling where they don't want to visit public toilets, they don't want to go out, they feel कि because of this problem कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते, घर पे रहना है. All this goes away and the life comes back to normal.
Normal, okay. So it can be controlled.
Controlled, but the first thing is that patient का hesitancy has to go and they have to tell us openly कि जो सो मेरे को ये problem हो रहा है, शर्माना नहीं है. घर वालों से भी कि just even अगर if they are elderly, बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, तो tell their children कि take us to a doctor, I have some problem and I want it to be addressed.
उसमें शर्माने की क्या बात है? Health is wealth. Who have pregnancy or who have childbirth, do they have more chances to have this problem?
Very good question again. Like the more number of normal deliveries and the less strength you have in your abdominal wall. अगर आप exercise नहीं कर रहे हैं, abdominal wall lose हो रहा है, and especially if you give up, elderly ladies, कि अब मैं I don't want to do anything and exercise नहीं करना है, तो इन लोगों में abdominal muscle, see abdomen also is a muscle around, so it has to be strong. If it is strong, it takes the pressure. So if it is loose and lax, so the symptoms are more in such patients.
Yeah, the tucking in or squeezing in,
like they're not
breathing
able to hold,
exercises.
they're not able to hold, like we have devised exercises which are very simple, like even if you don't want to lift or walk or do weight training, simple pillow say you have to just squeeze your exercise, a form of Kegel exercise. Pehle they used to be Kegel exercises, but now we have devised exercises to strengthen just the pelvis. So they can just, even if they are like bedridden or like on the wheelchair, they can just use a pillow and exercises they can do, and that will strengthen their pelvic musculature.
That's very important.
Yeah.
So I think it should start from immediately after giving birth also, it can start.
See, again, it goes back to a healthy lifestyle. Exercise is a very important part of your life. Humans are not meant to sit in one place. They are made to move.
Move.
So if you're not moving, then you will age faster.
Mm.
So if you're not exercising, you must be 35 years of age, but your biological age could be 70.
Oh.
If you are exercising, then you could be 70, but your biological age could be 35. If you see foreigners को अगर आप देखेंगे वो 90, 95, 100 तक भी चलते फिरते,
जी जी.
ट्रैक्स पे जाते, वॉकिंग करते, तो we should be following their kind of healthy lifestyle.
As a doctor, tell me, when women or men come to you, especially with this kind of problems, you tell me as a doctor that how would you want to address them and how comfortable you are to talk to them and vice versa.
See, when people come with problems, especially related to age-related problems, prostate,
Prostrate.
diabetes, incontinence in ladies, uh, and sexual health as well, I want them to understand that this is a lifestyle disorder like diabetes and hypertension. So if you go back and control, like understand that you're aging, and you make diet and exercise especially with the elderly integral part of your lifestyle, तो ये सब symptoms आपके कम होने वाले हैं. एंड कभी कभी पेशेंट्स से कि अब ये उम्र में क्या एक्सरसाइज करना, ये उम्र में ही एक्सरसाइज करना है, क्योंकि आपको ये समझना है कि आपकी लाइफ जितनी भी है, लाइफ तो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है, बट जितना लाइफ आप जी रहे हैं वो आपके हाथ में है. तो यू हैव टू बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट, यानी आप किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना है आपके लाइफ के लिए. तो आपका जो नॉर्मल लाइफस्टाइल है, टॉयलेट को जाना है, आपका काम करना है, आपको नहाना है, दैट यू हैव टू डू योरसेल्फ. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू बिकम अ बॉडी बिल्डर, आई एम आस्किंग यू कि आप सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हो जाओ, आपका काम आप खुद करें जैसा. यू शुड बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट.
जब तक हम खाते हैं एक्सरसाइज करना है.
एक्सरसाइज करना है, जब तक जी रहे एक्सरसाइज करना है.
Yeah. When you're eating, you have to work out. No. Yeah.
Main thing is like I ask them कि even आप भी जो है you don't want to become bedridden, you don't want to be dependent on somebody के you help me out with going to the toilet,
Yeah.
या मेरे को नहाने के लिए हेल्प करो, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. You want to be self dependent and आपको ही करना है. आप बने हैं कि you should take care of yourself.
Yourself. Correct. Now, I have very important questions on sexual dysfunctionality. ये बताइए कि the more a man masturbates, the more manly he is. Please comment.
Not necessarily. See, masturbation is more common in men compared to women, more common in youngsters compared to elderly. But slightly it goes up after age also. But there is no relationship of sexual health to masturbation. But like some studies have shown that the less the masturbation, the better the sexual performances, because indirectly you're sending a signal to the brain that you have to ejaculate faster. So your brain gets accustomed to that signaling pathway and gets accustomed ke I have to, that intentionally or unintentionally it ejaculates faster. So if you're not accustoming your brain to the signaling pathway and leave it naturally, you perform better.
That is.
This youngsters need to understand, especially
Yes, the younger
they have a
generation.
lot of anxiety going into a relationship, going into marriage के I have this problem, अब मैं क्या करूँ, अब मेरी शादी है थोड़े दिन में, I am in a relationship, I don't know, stress है, and that adds up to the stress, and that adds up to performance anxiety and low performance. So I suggest first you have to stop masturbation, then only I can help you with your performance.
So it's a natural process, and you feel that anybody who's getting married or who wants to have a child, it's always good to consult somebody.
If you have a problem yes,
or anxiety
issues. And see, with technology, even though pornography is banned, there are many ways to access it.
Yes.
So pornography is a way where it's a taboo where people don't discuss it. Even patients don't open up to me very easily. I have to ask them questions.
Intervene, yeah.
See, pornography is basically you're watching something and you're imagining something, and another way is that you're sending a signal to the brain that I have to finish quickly now. so that your brain gets trained, and once it gets trained to do a certain thing in a certain period of time, it thinks that is normal. So when you come into real life, so AI से आप आ रहे हैं into
Real
real
life.
life. So when you're shifting, first of all you know कि your timing or your erection is less, then you have that anxiety कि whether your partner will be satisfied or not. Then you have the anxiety कि you know कि you're not going to perform, you know don't have the capacity. आपको मालूम है कि जो सो आप जो सो विराट कोहली के जैसे बैट्समैन नहीं हैं. You have to gain that skill first, then you can bat to that level. So first to do that, you have to stop what is the primary cause, which is pornography and masturbation. Then only you will be able to perform better. Medicines will help, but medicines I can only help you till a certain period of time. But for the rest of your life, you have to help yourself.
Yeah, I think the natural process is always way better
Much
than
better.
something external.
Exactly,
Correct?
exactly.
Let the nature takes care of
See,
itself.
all this has come in the last 20, 30 years, 20 years.
Exactly.
See, before that, it was not there.
So that's my next question. That why is it that a man is not able to do things which he was normally doing it without a medicine?
I think it's a part of a bigger conspiracy that access to pornography is a very big thing. Which, first of all, performance from the male side, with masturbation and quicker sexual time, and expectation from the female aspect as well, where ladies or females see this and they expect it to be that much कि 45 minutes का वीडियो है तो they expect कि 45 minutes का the sexual time should be that much, but it is not that. Normal time is between 1 to 5 minutes. Anything more than 5 minutes is absolutely normal. So treatment is also indicated only for people who are performing less than 1 minute of time. Intravaginal time we say कि अगर if it is less than 1 minute, then medication is indicated. But if it is more than 1 minute, then first therapy, then medication.
Then medication. Okay.
But it has to be from both sides, the male and the female. If the female feels that, see, I've seen such so and so video, and this guy is not able to perform to so and so extent. They're not able to. They're not happy with the sexual aspect of their relationship. They should go see a urologist or their gynecologist and understand what is the normalcy.
Normal surgery.
Then
It gets easy.
easier, and then you understand that that is all fake and what is real.
Yeah. Not only that, I think it's also good to consult them prior when they plan to have a child.
Yeah, much better. Like many times when see with sexual disorders or with infertility, first thing is that both from the male side and the female side, the problem is not with you, it's with you. The other partner would have doubt. Okay, I'm fine, maybe you have the problem.
Correct.
So both of you get tested, so you'll know okay, what is the problem. So whenever a patient comes to me for infertility, I ask both of them कि आपके भी टेस्ट हो गए हैं क्या? So there is
So
no,
male and female दोनों को टेस्ट कराना है when they want to have a child.
Yeah.
It's better.
when they're not having a child, like
When they're not having a child, not
So-
able to have for a long time.
Yeah, I would say 3 months, 3 to 4 months you give it before
Correct.
you get yourself. You put yourself under the doubt कि problem है या नहीं.
हाँ. So best is to get it checked up, take proper medication, and then start off
Yeah.
also. Like how women start off with folic acid, etc.
Exactly. Like
Because they're enhancers.
another thing is that nowadays you get apps as well.
जी.
Okay, where you can track your cycles and you can track your most fertile period.
Correct.
And with the help of that, you can try for a few months. If that, उसके बाद भी if you're not able to conceive, then you come visit us and we'll help you out.
Is there a hormonal imbalance which happens usually in women? जो women में menopause के time, pre-menopausal, post-menopausal या when periods के time पे hormonal imbalances होते हैं, वो हमें मालूम है. Men में भी होता है.
बिल्कुल. We call it, it was not termed before, now we call it andropause.
Andropause.
So basically a male starts aging after 24 years of age.
Really?
Which is really like क्या 24 के बाद you start aging. Yes, you start aging at 24. Your peak is between 16 to 24 years of age. So your symptoms starts throwing after you hit 40, 45, 50. It gets higher and higher.
अच्छा.
So this is called andropause. So it is not just sexual. इसमें muscle loss, weakness, forgetting things, mood swings,
Oh,
all of this are part of andropause. Sexual part is
same
तो
like females.
हाँ one part of it. जैसा you consider के an elderly gentleman के just people saying के चिड़चिड़े हो जा रहे, गुस्से में आ जा रहे. So it is a part of his aging process. It is a part of this compilation of symptoms in which sexual part is just one part. But other things are also there where he forgets things, he gets irritable, he gets mood swings, he loses muscle mass. And if you see the Indian body type and you compare to, we call ourselves skinny fat. Yani hands and legs are thin and we have fat bellies.
yes.
So this is typical to the Indian subcontinent because our starch content in our diet is very high. If you see the Westerners, even if they become fat overall. It's not just skinny fat. So again, for this, go back to starch, sugar, low sugars, exercise, diet.
Okay.
And when you have these symptoms of andropause, suppose you're 55, 60, if you're, we basically measure your testosterone level. So if your level is less, suppose you're less than 40, 35 and you're having these symptoms, which is becoming more common now, mainly because adult food, fast
Adulterated
food, junk, and increased screen time, poor sleep. So if your sleep is less, if your sleep is not of good quality, so your performance will be less, your testosterone level will be less, your cortisol level will be higher, and it will again indirectly impact your life, where even in your professional life you will not be able to concentrate or work as much as you can. So sleep is a very important category of your lifestyle. Even if you have had poor sleep, I would suggest you don't work out the next day, even if you're working out. Sleep is very important.
Important. So, as women take hormonals externally
Yeah.
after the menopause or whatever, do men also have to take such medication?
Not everyone, just go hormonal. When I say testosterone level, if I find that according to his age his testosterone level is very low, so I would supplement him if he feels the need for it,
If needed.
if needed. So the range is between 250 to 700, 800 depending upon the lab. So suppose if I get a patient who's 30 years of age, but his level is around 200, that is okay for somebody who's 70 years of age. But अगर 35 पे उसका 200 है, I would suggest कि अभी तुम supplementation लो. Then once it gets back to normal with your diet and exercise, then we'll stop this. But suppose there's somebody who's 70 years of age and उनका 250 है.
Prostate cancer, how can one identify? कैसे पता लगे हमें?
See, you can't identify with symptoms prostate cancer. The only thing that can happen is that you can see blood in your urine.
Oh, that
So,
is one way.
Maybe one cause, but usually, see, latest studies say that every male will die with prostate cancer, but not of prostate cancer. So that will not be one of the causes of your death, most probably. Another thing with master health checkups is that the serum PSA level is a part of master health checkup. So first we do a serum PSA level. If that is high, then we do a clinical examination to see if there is a nodule or something. Then we send you for an MRI or a PET scan to see if it is really there. Then if it is there, we do a biopsy to check if it is there. Of all these things, chance of you getting prostate cancer is very less.
अच्छा.
And prostate cancer होता, और उसमें भी prostate cancer is adenocarcinoma, which is very slow growing.
अच्छा.
So most probably you will outlive the disease. Even if you are diagnosed with prostate cancer, don't come to a conclusion that I'm going to die of cancer. This is very different from, say, something like a kidney cancer. Kidney में ट्यूमर है या लंग में ट्यूमर है. This is very different from that.
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन इमीडिएटली मुझे पूछना था कि जब कैंसर के सेल्स होते हैं दे स्प्रेड, सो हर जगह स्प्रेड हो जाता है, तो प्रोस्टेट में कैंसर हो गया तो वो स्प्रेड हो सकता है. कमेंट.
Exactly, it can spread, but from it being inside the prostate to spreading elsewhere in the body, it is so slow growing, and it will give us between 20 to 25 years.
Oh, that
So
long.
that's why I'm saying you will probably outlive the disease.
Okay, lovely. And people having prostate problems, कुछ ऑपरेशन हो गया तो उनका परफॉर्मेंस कम हो जाएगा. comment?
अगर if the whole prostate is definitely removed, तो one of the treatment modalities of prostate cancer is removal of the prostate with the testis. तो testosterone drives the prostate cancer. तो one of the modes of management of prostate cancer is hormonal manipulation, where you block testosterone. So when you block testosterone surgically or medically by removal of the testis or by medication, your performance can go down. So we do supplement it with things like sildenafil or tadalafil, where the patient does have a little bit of improvement, but not totally back to normal.
Okay. So what is flank? और ये flank क्या होता है?
Flank basically is कमर.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So you can say कमर में पकड़ है और कमर में दर्द है. So lower back ache, flank is basically this part,
अच्छा.
where it is loin to groin, like पीछे से सामने आ रहा, on the side, abdomen, but on the side.
क्यों
That is
आता है?
called flank. So the nerve root which supplies the kidney, that is radiates to the, it's called radiating pain.
अच्छा.
Because the same nerve root supplies the kidney and supplies this part of the abdomen, you feel the pain here. So it is radiating pain. It comes from
क्यों
the
आता
back
है?
when there is obstruction in the urinary tract, either because of a stone or prostate or stricture. Stricture is like basically obstruction in the urinary tract.
अच्छा. उसकी वजह से आता है ये pain.
Whenever there is obstruction, kidney gets swollen up and you have pain.
कैसे पता लगता है कि ये serious problem है?
Fever, chills, nausea, vomitings, and usually in patients, these patients usually have had an episode before, either of a stone, or either of a prostate issue, or either of like uncontrolled diabetes, recurrent UTIs. Like I said, though in 2 UTIs in a year, or maybe more than that, are signs that you are having some problems. So it usually gives you a heads up कि ऐसा होने वाला है. So you should get yourself evaluated more frequently.
Okay, nice. So now I have a few questions, some myths and facts. Kidney stones are caused because you have a lot of palak or tomato.
False.
False.
Not totally false. High oxalate content. So spinach does have a little bit. Tomatoes I would not say much. But anything which has high oxalate content can cause oxalate stones. तो इसमें पालक आता थोड़ा सा, chocolate, dry fruits.
Chocolate and dry fruits.
Yes. So this is like most common. अपने पास पूछते हैं कि पालक और टमाटर तो हम बंद कर देना है. Not really. Only if you have oxalate stones.
Okay, so that doctor will tell. Okay. That depends on body type again.
That depends on the composition of your stones. So if you send your stones for analysis, kabhi you catch it while passing, or if it is removed surgically and we get it tested, we'll get to know what kind of stone it is.
So how many kinds of stones are there?
There could be 15-20 different kinds of stone, and it could be because of medicines, it could be because, but most common is calcium and uric acid stones. In our, it could be ammonium, it could be because of antiviral medications as well, but all these are rare in our scenario. अपने पास calcium mostly, mixed calcium phosphate kind of stones and uric acid stones.
अच्छा, this is another question. हमारे बच्चे जब बड़े हो रहे थे तो हमने उनको कैल्शियम के टैबलेट्स दिए, उसकी वजह से किडनी स्टोन हो गया.
Partly right कि बुजुर्ग लोगों में कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंट्स भी देते हैं. तो आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट कि अगर आपको ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस यानी बोन्स की वीकनेस हो रही है तो आप कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंटेशन ज़रूरी नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग आउट अगेन तो योर बोन्स आर स्ट्रॉन्गर, तो आप कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंटेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
बट बच्चे में आना इज नॉट ट्रू.
बच्चों में आना नॉट ट्रू.
ना. ओके. देयर आर होम रेमेडीज लाइक बियर पीने से या कोकोनट वाटर पीने से स्टोन्स अपने आप डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं.
बियर का इज़ अ गुड क्वेश्चन. आई हैव बीन आस्क्ड मेनी टाइम्स. बियर से उल्टा स्टोन बनने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं क्योंकि इट कॉजेज डिहाइड्रेशन एंड लॉट ऑफ यूरिन इज ड्रेन्ड आउट एंड उल्टा टेंड्स टू इंक्रीज द एसिडिक लोड इन द यूरिन एंड स्टोन बनने के चांस रहते हैं. लोग ये समझते हैं कि बियर पीने से स्टोन इसलिए ज़्यादा पास हो सकता है क्योंकि आप 10 बॉटल पानी नहीं पी सकते एक साथ, 10 बॉटल बियर पी सकते. तो इसीलिए डायूरेसिस होके डिहाइड्रेशन होके स्टोन पास होना ऐसा लग सकता है लोगों कि बियर पियो फ्लश आउट हो जाता.
नॉट ट्रू.
नॉट ट्रू.
Not true. Uteral stones pain means the stone is moving out of it.
Partly yes. सी यूरेटर इज बेसिकली किडनी से ब्लैडर को जो ना पाइप कनेक्ट करता है.
करेक्ट.
तो इफ इट इज स्टक इनसाइड दैट इट कैन कॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पेन एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द इंडिकेशंस कि अभी स्टोन निकालना है. So if it is big and if it is causing a lot of pain, most common procedure which we do for removal of stones is ureteric stones only.
If pain stops suddenly, I am cured.
Not really. So if the stone is moving from a more obstructive part to a non-obstructive part, doesn't mean that the stone has passed out. It can pass from the ureter into the bladder and you could be relieved of stones of the pain. बट फिर दोबारा हो सकता है आपको पेन. सो इफ इट इज हैपनिंग, अगर और एक एपिसोड हो रहा तो इमीडिएटली गेट इवैल्यूएटेड.
Because of aging, stopping the urine is normal, so you don't have to worry about it.
नो, बिकॉज ऑफ एजिंग स्टॉपिंग ऑफ यूरिन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर एजिंग प्रोसेस. सबको होता, किसी को कम किसी को ज़्यादा. सम डोंट नीड ट्रीटमेंट एट ऑल, सम नीड मेडिकेशन, सम नीड अ प्रोसीजर. सो डिपेंड करता है कि आपका ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन लेवल कितना है, वो कितने साइड इफेक्ट्स कॉज कर रहा है आपकी किडनी को, आपकी जनरल हेल्थ को. डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट.
Okay. So it's a must to just go to doctor and get it checked up.
आफ्टर 40 गेट योर सेल्फ इवेल्युएटेड. एक मास्टर हेल्थ चेकअप तो बनता आफ्टर 40.
Okay. Only women get this problem with the urine. Men don't.
No, both of them get problems, but of different kinds.
Uh-huh.
Women usually have more UTIs, more incontinence issues. Men usually have obstructive voiding issues, यानी फोर्स लगा के पास करना पड़ रहा है, एंड ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि कुछ अटका हुआ है अंदर एंड इट्स नॉट पासिंग आउट.
Passing out.
विमेन में उल्टा होता है कि दे आर पासिंग आउट मोर फ्रीक्वेंटली.
जल्दी आ जाता है. अच्छा. Okay. Okay. होल्डिंग यूरिन फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स, अगर हम यूरिन को रोक के रखते हैं लॉन्ग आवर्स क्योंकि बाथरूम नहीं है, उसके वजह से भी ब्लैडर लूज हो जाता है.
लूज नहीं, इन्फेक्शन होने के चांसेस है. एंड स्पेशली लेडीज़ में नॉट कंफर्टेबल यूजिंग पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स,
हाँ जी.
और टॉयलेट जहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. तो आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज लेडीज़ के कैरी, nowadays you get different kinds of like disposable toilet cover, seat covers and all that, but don't hold your urine. Even if you are like traveling, carry something in your purse so that you can use in a public toilet.
Okay. Sexual problems are usually psychological.
90% psychological.
Oh.
Only 10% is vasculogenic, 90% is psychological.
Oh, this is an awakening. Okay, nice. OTC sexual enhancing pills are safe and we can use them regularly.
Not at all safe, especially for the elderly. The older molecule sildenafil causes stress on the heart. Basically, it can cause even a heart attack, so not safely advisable. So you have to take it with precaution and with proper guidance.
Okay, with the advice of doctors only we need to
Exactly.
take, not off the shelf.
Not at all.
Only older men get sexual problems, younger ones don't.
No, not at all. Younger men उल्टा अभी ज़्यादा problems हो रहे हैं because of stress and other issues like we talked about, like pornography and masturbation. So it's like broad spectrum now.
Okay. It's nothing to related to age.
It can be testosterone level drop, okay, it can be, but that is more organic. But what is related to stress and lifestyle is more common nowadays.
I have no urinary symptoms. My prostate must be fine.
Yeah, very good question. So the term now earlier was benign prostatic hypertrophy, यानी enlargement of the prostate, and you used to treat it according to that. But now it is divided into enlargement and obstruction. So 20 cc, 30 is the limit of normal prostate, you can say.
Okay.
A 20 cc prostate can be obstructive, can require require medication or surgery.
Okay.
A 200 cc prostate might not be obstructive, might not require any medication at all.
Acha.
So it doesn't relate with size, it relates with your problems. How much of every male will have a prostate,
हाँ जी.
every male will have a little bit of enlargement, but every male does not need treatment. Only the people who are having obstruction will need treatment.
तो चेकअप कराना उचित है.
चेकअप कराना है एंड यू योरसेल्फ विल नो कि सिम्टम्स हो रहे हैं और उसको ट्रीट करना है या नहीं.
Prostate surgeries causes sexual dysfunctionality.
नो, नॉट रियली. ऑन द अदर हैंड द मेडिकेशन जो हम लोग देते हैं प्रोस्टेट के लिए, वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द मेडिकेशन इज टेस्टोस्टेरोन ब्लॉकेज. सो देयर इज molecule which testosterone breaks down into, which is 5-dihydrotestosterone. So we block that with medication. So that shrinks the prostate. That causes erectile functions. So surgery does not cause any problems or any procedure, but if you are on lifelong medication for prostate, that can cause erectile functions.
ओके, सो प्रोस्टेट प्रॉब्लम से हम सेक्स नहीं कर सकते.
नॉट रियली. प्रोस्टेट के लिए जो आप मेडिकेशन ले रहे हैं, शायद उस जिसमें एक कंपोनेंट है जिसकी वजह से आपको सेक्सुअल डिस्फंक्शन हो रहा है. अगर हो रहा है तो जस्ट टेल योर डॉक्टर कि मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है एंड आई नीड द मेडिकेशन चेंज्ड.
Okay. Men should not discuss urinary or sexual health to anybody, and it's very embarrassing.
Not really. See, never hide things from your doctor and your lawyer. तो be open about it. There is no ऐसा कुछ hesitancy ही नहीं है कि what is the limit for your sexual activity. There is nothing like too young or too old. As long as you feel that you are capable or you feel the need for it, it's absolutely normal. I have treated patients or like discussed sexual activity with patients who have been 85 years of age. So there is no taboo regarding discussion of sexual health at all.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Keezer. Very nice talking
Most
to you.
welcome, ma'am.
And you've put insights on so many things. And I hope with this episode of ours, people will understand that it's important कि आप डॉक्टर को संपर्क करें सेल्फ मेडिकेशन से लेने से पहले या डिसीजन लेने से पहले.
Very happy we discussed many things which are not usually discussed openly and which are considered taboos. So,
Yeah. Thank you
happy.
so much.
Thank you.
सेक्सुअल प्रॉब्लम्स, यूरिनरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शंस या प्रोस्टेट प्रॉब्लम्स, इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक ही जगह है, वो है कि आप डॉक्टर को संपर्क करें और उनका सही मेडिकेशन लें. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग एरीट हॉस्पिटल्स बियॉन्ड मेडिसिन्स, एंड वे टू योर गुड हेल्थ इज़ टू कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर.